A speedometer is like a gauge for measuring the amount or size of something, which is seen mostly in cars. It measures the fuel or speed. A speedometer is good for measuring the performance. We will make such gauge in Excel. A speedometer chart. I want to measure the performance of my company. For this purpose, we need to define a level, like very low, low, medium, high, very high. Then I define cumulative range to each of these categories. From 0 to 15 is very low. From 16 to 25 is low, and so on until 100. This is the cumulative. Then I extracted the levels from cumulative. The first one is 15. The second one is 25 minus 15 gives 10. 40 minus 25 is 15, and so on. If I sum the range column, 100 will be shown, and that's correct. Press on any empty cell, and from Insert, select Doughnut chart. It is as empty as the cell. Right-click and select Data. From Legend Entries, press on Add. Series name is Level. Series value, which I want to see vertically, is the range column. Then OK. The horizontal category is Level column. Press on OK. My Doughnut chart is ready now. Double-click on Chart. The panel is appeared. Select the ring. From Panel, Series Options, angle of first slice is 270 degrees. And I decrease Doughnut hole size to have a good speedometer. When I glance on my Doughnut chart, from Legend, I see all colors has a category, but the green one does not. It is for this 100 that its category is empty. I select the green one, double-click on it. From Bucket, Fill, No Fill. It is gone. The speedometer chart is forming. Almost we are done. Now we need a needle or pointer. For pointer, I need some data, like its value, size, and the end. The pointer size can be 2. Show me 40 as value and end. I need to type a formula for end. Type sum of the range column minus sum of the value and size. Then press on Enter. On the chart, I right-click and select Data. Press on Add. Series name is Pointer. Series value is the numbers. In horizontal, select 2. Then, by help of Control, select 40. And last is the end value. Then OK. Back to the chart. Now, select a pointer chart. Right-click and change Series Chart Type. The pointer must be changed to pi and select secondary axis for pointer. Then OK. Once click on the chart, it is selected. Go to Series Options, Angle of First Style, 270 like the first chart. Now select this gray part and go to Fill and No Fill. Select the blue one. No fill. Our pointer is here. I select pointer line and change its color to black. Pointer is selected. Go to Design, add chart element, and data label. Select Outer. Select the added label. From label options, just select category name. Check value mark and uncheck it. So number 2 near 40 is disappeared. Remove rest of the labels. I want to see level columns in my chart. If I select the chart, the pointer chart selected, but I want to select the level chart. That's why right-click, go to Select Data, and uncheck Pointer Chart, and OK. Pointer is gone. Select the chart, and from Design tab, add chart element, data label, and more data labels. They're added. Once click on one of data labels. From text options, value from cells, and select level column. Select all. From Home tab, bold them. Right-click on the chart and check the pointer and OK. It is added. Make it a little bit bigger. Resize it. That's it. The pointer chart is ready. When I change the value, the speedometer changes also. You can give formula to this value, like some functions like VLOOKUP, to read the data and shows in a speedometer chart.